Hi friends, my name is Ashish and today I'm really excited to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 which I've just received, and this is the blue color, bought primarily for two reasons. One is that it distinguishes it from the Apple Watch Series 5 and the 4 before that, and also that the iPhone 12 will be coming in a blue color soon. So without further ado, let's get into the watch. There we have it, one Apple Watch Series 6. So just to see here, this is the blue aluminum case with the deep navy sport band, and it's the 44mm, back September 2020. And at the moment in India, there is a discount on, so you can get 3,000 rupees off this. Instead of paying 53,000 rupees, it will cost you 50,000 rupees, either in the form of a cashback or through an instant discount through some banks. And it says here, it includes the Apple Watch, the band and a charging cable. It does not include a charger, unfortunately. That is this year's theme with Apple. It says power adapter sold separately. Supports LTE and UMTS. Some capabilities including cellular are not and may not become available in all countries with all carriers. So this is the cellular version of the Apple Watch. So as usual, you get a nice tab here which allows you to peel off the packaging. And besides that, you also get so as you can see, quite innovative packaging by Apple. When you open the packaging here, you see all the kinds of straps that are available. So they're just advertising their new Solo Loop and the various straps available. And it actually comes with two separate boxes. So you get one for the watch and one for the strap, as you can see. Obviously this is modular, so depending on which watch and which strap you order, you will get that corresponding box. I've ordered the navy blue sport band and the blue aluminum case 44mm watch. So let's get into it. Starting with the watch, I'm just about to reveal the watch for the first time. So there we are. There's the watch inside, and besides that, you get some instructions and regulatory information here. And just a charging cable with the dock, but no charger in the box. So that's the little dock that you get with this, and this is for the charging. Obviously you will need your own brick. Fortunately, I have iPhone 11 5-watt power brick that I will be using with this, but it's quite a sad move on Apple's part. You do need to charge the device. A charger is not something that will prevent electronic waste, because you will just end up buying another. So the watch itself comes in a nicely packaged leather case, and let's take it out for the first time. That's the Apple Watch Series 6 revealed for the first time out of its nice leather case. Just to show you, that's the watch. And now let's look at the strap itself. So it says here sport band, and this is the navy blue version. So once again, you get a little tab here to open this. And we can get in there like so. And you also get a pull tab to try and open this through. And inside we find the watch strap. Handily, it also comes with an extra watch strap, as you can see here. And it also gives you the instructions on how to actually put put the strap together. So let's try and follow the instructions and put it together onto the watch. So according to them, this bit here needs to go onto the side of the crown here. And excuse me if I'm a bit clumsy because this is my first Apple Watch. I've had a couple of smartwatches before, but never an Apple Watch. So I assume it will just slide in like this. Yeah, it slides into place. So that's the first part of the puzzle. And then you take the other. So they've actually given us medium large and a small medium strap. I'm going to go with the medium large. There you go. And I've actually accidentally also pressed the side button, so the Apple Watch is now turning on. So the strap installation was fairly straightforward. Let me put it on the wrist and see how this looks. There we go. That's the Apple Watch Series 6. I've got it on for the first time. So thanks for watching, and if you like this content, be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon if you'd like to be notified of my future videos.